Active addresses hit the 1 million mark on 6 and 7 June. The trader's position suggested optimism for BTC's price. The number of active addresses transacting with Bitcoin reached 1 million for 2 consecutive days on 6th of June and 7th of June, according to Santiment. With volatility increasing market-wide, hashtag Bitcoin's level of utility has picked up quite drastically. The amount of unique addresses interacting on the BTC network has exceeded 1 million in each of the past 2 days, first time since April 21st. It's video at cover wasq asking. A Santiment, June 8th, 2023, and although active addresses showed the number of unique senders and receivers, the hike did not entirely imply that these participants were buying BTC. Well, this suggested significant activity for Bitcoin. It tilted more toward investors' action to move assets away from exchanges and into self-custody. Lately, Binance and Coinbase, two of the world's largest exchanges with high trading volumes, were served court papers by the US SEC. This resulted in a high rate of outflows from both platforms. Despite the challenges and an initial downturn, BTC did not fall below the $25,000 mark. Also, regulatory issues and hike in transactions propelled an increase in Bitcoin social dominance. Social dominance shows the share of discussions in the crypto community that is connected to an asset. So the increase means that attention toward the BTC spiked. While the metric had fallen at press time, the weighted sentiment also followed the same route. Used as a measure of the investor's perception toward an asset, the Bitcoin weighted sentiment increased to 1.45 on 6th June. However, it had decreased to minus 6th June for 1636 of this writing, insinuating a backpedal in optimism around the coin. In the derivatives arm of the market, Bitcoin's open interest decreased. The OI serves as an indicator of the interest in opening futures or options contracts for an underlying asset. If the OI increases over time, and it means that traders are opening more positions. Since its decrease, it indicated how traders were exiting post-ends and taking liquidity out of the market. Regardless of the exits, most traders still in search of potential gains have opted to go long. This inference was indicated by the funding rate. Usually a positive funding rate indicates that long position traders are willing to keep open their contracts by paying short. But when the funding rate is negative, it means that more short positions were open and outpacing their long counterparts. In another development, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood maintained her optimistic BTC position in a recent Bloomberg interview. This was after her company accumulated more of the Coinbase stock after the SEC served the company. While she said the crackdown on the firms is healthy for competition, she also answered another question about her $1 million prediction. In backing her stance, Wood said, "The more uncertainty and volatility there is in the global economies, the more confidence increases in Bitcoin.